Australia is renowned for its unique biodiversity, home to species found nowhere else on Earth. But beneath its breathtaking beauty lies a pressing ecological crisis, one driven by invasive animal species. Invasive species are non-native organisms that, when introduced to new environments, disrupt ecosystems, outcompete native species, and cause significant ecological and economic damage. One of the most notorious invasive species in Australia is the red fox. Introduced in the 1800s, these cunning predators have spread across the country. Red foxes primarily prey on small mammals and ground-nesting birds, threatening many of Australia's native species. Their presence contributes to the decline of unique wildlife, leading to serious conservation concerns. Next, we have the European rabbit. Brought to Australia for food and sport, these rabbits reproduce rapidly and have devastating effects on agriculture. Rabbits compete for resources with native species and cause extensive damage to vegetation, leading to soil erosion and a ripple effect on the entire ecosystem. Feral cats pose one of the greatest threats to native wildlife. With a profound hunger for birds, reptiles, and small mammals, they have contributed to the extinction of several native species. With millions of feral cats roaming the continent, their impact is monumental, putting enormous pressure on Australia's fragile ecosystems. Meet the dromedary camel, another invasive species that poses unique challenges. Introduced for transport, their large populations now threaten fragile desert environments. These camels compete with native herbivores for food and water, disrupting the delicate balance of Australia's arid climates. Feral pigs are another invasive threat, wreaking havoc on both agricultural lands and native ecosystems. They're known for their destructive rooting behavior, which leads to soil degradation, crop loss, and a decline in native species populations. Urban environments haven't escaped the invasion either. The Indian myna and the European starling compete fiercely with native birds, disrupting their habitats. These birds can spread diseases and take over critical nesting sites, making their presence a concern for conservationists. The battle against invasive species is ongoing, with conservationists working tirelessly to manage populations and protect native wildlife. Strategies include targeted culling, habitat restoration, and public awareness campaigns to mitigate the impacts of these invaders. Protecting Australia's unique biodiversity requires collective action. We all have a role to play in safeguarding these remarkable ecosystems. Join the fight against invasive species and contribute to preserving Australia's natural heritage for future generations. Thank you for watching.